Guys, listen up! May bank foreclosed property na super sulit dito sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. At ang pinakamaganda, walang bidding. Kung sinong mauna, siya ang makakakuha. Ito yung Adele End Lot Model, may 96 square meter lot area at 70 square meter floor area. Enough space for your family. Meron na itong 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath at 1 to 2 car garage. Perfect na perfect para sa mga naghahanap ng home na may extra space. At ito na ang shocking part. Selling price is only 2,698,000. Yes, totoo yan. End lot property sa Lancaster, New City at ganyang price, ang hirap na hanapin yan ngayon. Pero take note, this is as is where is. Kaya kung sino ang unang kumilos, siya lang ang makakakuha. Once sold, wala nang second chance. Madali lang din ang terms. 20% down payment lang. Then the rest, 80% through bank home loan. Of course, bank fees and transfer of title are not included. Mode of payment, pwede via PDC, MC, cash, or bank home loan. Kaya very flexible, swak sa budget planning mo. Kaya kung matagal ka na naghihintay ng budget-friendly pero prime location property, ito na yun. Huwag nang patagalin kasi sure ako mabilis lang ito mawawala. May free house tour assistance pa kami so you can check the property in person. This is Jin Puig, your trusted PRC accredited real estate salesperson. Kasama si Lawrence Lazarte, tawag o message na sa numbers on screen para masecure natin itong deal para sa'yo. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!